I'm gonna tell you something straight off the motherfucking press. I ain't coming for no foolishness. In New York, goddammit, y'all motherfucking women look good. Y'all like a bacon and egg sandwich look good. But I love sex. I love it. Can't do shit no more. And I'm blessed.
Like clockwork.
I'm big boned. I'm heavy structure. I'm hung low. If I pull my
right,
shit out,
yeah,
this
it's
whole
coming.
room get dark. Kick it!
The food's coming.
You don't understand.
How big
I ain't
these
scared
things
of you
got.
motherfuckers.
See how close they come?
I love sex, man. I love it by the pound.
Whole family.
I be glad when they put that
Waiting.
shit in cans. Can you imagine sex in cans? Motherfuckers be shoplifting and shit.
Here comes Mother Goose. You gotta come all the way down here. Put him right here. Good one.
Don't bite my toes.
Give me another one.
Look, those are already. Look at those compared to these.
Right from the hand. See?
Yeah, these are mine. Here, look.
There you go.